here are my top 9 things that I think the Instant Pot cooks better than any other method or any other appliance. Also, all of these recipes and foods and more are in my new cookbook, Enjoy 101 Pressure Cooker Recipes for Everyone, which is ready to pre-order right now. The first thing I won't make any other way is cranberry sauce. The Instant Pot makes cranberry sauce so much easier to make because it contains it all in one pot. It cooks it extremely quickly, and there's no sputtering or babysitting over the stove. Traditionally, when you make cranberry sauce on the stove, you have to kind of boil it, simmer it for about 20 to 30 minutes, make it reduce down. In the Instant Pot, you only need a tiny bit of liquid and it cooks for about 5 minutes. It's completely hands-off and it does an amazing job. So I think the Instant Pot does cranberry sauce better than anything else. For similar reasons, number 8 is oatmeal. I love making oatmeal in my Instant Pot because number 1, it's hands off, and number 2, there's no risk of the oatmeal boiling over on the stove or in the microwave like it does every single time I attempt to make it in the microwave. The best thing about this is honestly that you just don't have to worry about it boiling over. You don't have to continually stir it and babysit it, especially for busy mornings like we have. Number 7 is applesauce. In the fall, we love making homemade applesauce. It's so much better than anything that you can buy at the store, and it is so easy and quick to make in the Instant Pot. Traditionally, the method would be to use a slow cooker or even just put it on the stove and just let it boil and simmer for a long time in order to get those apples to cook down enough where they're soft and pureeable. However, in the Instant Pot, it only takes a couple of minutes and a couple of ingredients to have fresh, homemade, delicious applesauce that makes your whole house smell like fall, and it's way better to do it in the Instant Pot because it's just easier, safer, no babysitting, no boiling or simmering. It's so convenient. Number 6, something that I think the Instant Pot does way better than its traditional cooking method is cooking spaghetti squash. My first time I tried making spaghetti squash, I got it in college. I think like a friend or a neighbor gifted it to our apartment and I had never cooked with it before. But spaghetti squash is incredibly hard. It is incredibly hard to like cut, to cook. It takes a long time to cook, and so I was looking on the internet trying to figure out how to cook this spaghetti squash, and it said to put it in the oven for about an hour. So we put it in the oven and it was still so crunchy, so hard, and it was kind of a pain. We just didn't quite know how to do it. In the Instant Pot, you can put either a whole or halved spaghetti squash in there. In less than 10 minutes in the Instant Pot, your spaghetti squash is perfectly cooked. It's not going to be crunchy or gross or raw, and it's so ready to just be used in any way you want. Also, since you're making it in the Instant Pot, there's no risk of it burning like it would in the oven. If you boil a spaghetti squash, it can get really waterlogged, and you don't want that. The Instant Pot is the perfect way to cook a spaghetti squash every single time, and it's the superior method. Number 5 is making rice in the Instant Pot. Rice in the Instant Pot is so easy, and it's a total game changer because it cooks so quickly. The proportions are so easy to remember, and it just takes all the guesswork out of making perfectly fluffy, delicious, and fast rice. I teach you how to make all sorts of different kinds of Instant Pot rice varieties and all the tips and tricks. I have a rice playlist right here for all things Instant Pot rice, so make sure you go check that out. If you're enjoying these recipes and want to learn how to make them at home, make sure that you grab a copy of my newest cookbook, Enjoy. It's got over 101 plus recipes, every single recipe mentioned in this video and more. You can see that it's got like a gazillion pictures, tips on every single page, a QR code that takes you to a video or a full blog post. It's hardcover, it's got a nice coiled binding so it stays flat when you're cooking. This is a one-stop resource for pressure cooking, for Instant Pot cooking, and I know you're going to love it. So you can pre-order this book and it will ship in early December, and I'll put the link to purchase in the description of the video. Number 4 is something that I will never use any other cooking method for. It's mashed potatoes. The Instant Pot makes mashed potatoes so simple and so easy. And it actually has a better flavor, texture, just pretty much overall everything when making it in the Instant Pot versus a slow cooker or boiling on the stove. Here's the reason. So when you boil on the stove, you have a giant pot of water where you have to either wait for it to come to a boil, you add the potatoes in, it takes forever to boil and to simmer, and at the same time, there's just a giant pot of boiling water, which can also be a hazard, or it's just, it makes your house hot and there's tons of steam. And then you have to drain that whole thing. And then those potatoes, they take on a lot of water. So they taste watery. I guarantee you, once you start steaming your potatoes in the Instant Pot by pressure cooking them with just 1 cup of water, they're not sitting in that water, and so it's not absorbing anything. All you'd get is that beautiful, perfect potato texture and flavor, and then you can just add butter and half or cream or milk, and they're perfect mashed potatoes. On top of that, you don't have to drain anything, and it cooks way faster than simmering on the stove. So I think the Instant Pot is the absolute best way to make mashed potatoes versus any other method out there. Number 3, the Instant Pot does better than anything else is to make soup. Soup in the Instant Pot is a total game changer because it doesn't take nearly as much time. You just put everything in there and you pressure cook it. So you're basically just taking all that energy from the boiling water and you're pressing it into all those ingredients in your soup. It's raising that temperature way hotter than you're ever going to get on the stovetop, and it just makes it so much simpler, so much easier. For example, in my zuppa toscana recipe, if you did it on the stovetop, you'd be, sauteing the meat and the onion, and then you add the broth, and then you wait for it to come to a boil, and then you add potatoes, and then you have to simmer them until they're soft. In my recipe, you just add everything in there, and then you cook it for 2 minutes, and you're done making dinner. This is like a game changer, no-brainer. You have to use the Instant Pot to make your soup recipes. Next, something that I think the Instant Pot makes better than anything else is to steam broccoli. I mean, it's good with steaming all vegetables, but broccoli in particular, steaming it is so easy. You just do a 0-minute cook time with 1 cup of water in the Instant Pot. You wanna make sure that that broccoli is not sitting in the water so it doesn't get soggy, but it cooks it perfectly every single time, and it's not watery and it's not soggy from boiling it. When you boil it, I feel like the tops usually get cooked faster than the stems, and so it's just kind of a soggy mess, and that's the last thing you want when you're eating your vegetables. And the very best thing that I think the Instant Pot does better than any other appliance or cooking method are hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot are absolutely life-changing. Not only do they cook really quickly with only 1 cup of water, but they also peel so easy. There's some kind of magic that happens in the Instant Pot while they're cooking that makes the shells just completely fall off so easy, and you can make like 1 egg, or you can make 3 dozen eggs. However many eggs will fit into your Instant Pot, you can make without having to boil the water, without having to do all these weird little tricks and gimmicks. You just put them in the Instant Pot and they're perfect every single time. And you know what? If you can have something that is super reliable like that, it just takes so much frustration and confusion out of cooking, giving you a lot more joy and confidence. Again, all of these recipes and more are in my new cookbook, Enjoy, which is ready to pre-order today. You're going to love it. You can go watch my announcement video right here where you can learn more about it, and I'll put the ordering information in the description below. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.